Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my home on YouTube. Today's video is all about my makeup products that I use. These guys are makeup products that a lot of them are that I pretty much cannot live without. They are my go-tos, the ones I always gravitate towards. So I thought I'd share with all of you guys out there which makeup products are the ones that are absolutely amazing and will make your skin look so good all day long. So if you want to keep watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with everybody that you know, and follow me on all social media at Can Be Real. And let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna start off with the primer. I don't know if I've talked about the primer in my skincare because it's partially makeup, partially skincare. But I just thought I'd just bring it out to tell you guys about it. It is my Murad primer. This guy here, I hope it's focusing. It is a oil and pore control primer. What gravitates me towards this is the fact that it's got an SPF of 45 and it's a primer. That is basically the main reason, the SPF, and the fact that it doesn't give flashbacks. Usually SPF always gives some sort of flashback. This guy does not. I'm wearing it underneath my makeup right now. It doesn't give me any flashback. It is amazing, and when you apply it, it's so smooth and so soft, and your foundation just glides right on. So if you haven't tried this guy, try it. You can even use it without, if you're not going to be using makeup that day or any sort of foundation, your moisturizer, and then put this guy on, and it's just like your SPF that you'll be using. It's amazing. Give this guy a try. So the next product that I always gravitate, I'm gonna keep turning around because I'm putting all my products at the back. I have everything like on a chair here, so I don't want it to start falling. The next one I am going to talk about is my foundation. So I have tried tons and tons and tons of foundations. The one I keep going back to all the time as an everyday foundation is my Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation by Too Faced. This guy right here, just gonna let it focus. I use the color Sand. This guy is oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil control, and photo-friendly. This is amazing. It smells really good. It is actually infused with peaches and sweet fig milk. So this guy is really, really good. It gives you like, not a matte, but not like a total glowy. It's like a semi-matte look. But it is really, really nice on, and it feels like I'm wearing it right now. It feels like you're wearing nothing on your skin. I love it. I think this is like my third bottle that I'm using. It's absolutely amazing. So if you are looking for a foundation, give this guy a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. It is a medium to full coverage. Obviously you can add more full coverage to it. Okay, then let's go on to concealer. My favorite concealer to use in the world right now is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, this one. So I did for a little bit use the Shape Tape, which I really, really loved. Unfortunately, I can't get that out here in Canada, and this is a really good similar product to that. It lasts like a million years. There's so much in here, and it's the same price as like those small little like NARS concealers. It's exactly pretty much the same price, maybe $1 here and there difference. I am in the shade Natural Beige, and this guy is absolutely amazing. I love the applicator on it. It is awesome. You can actually even get a darker shade and contour with it. Sometimes I even use it if I'm just gonna put concealer and maybe some powder on my skin, because this has really good full coverage. I don't know what else I will say. Okay, then I do set everything. First I go in with a pressed powder from MAC. I'm going really slowly here because I just don't want anything to like drop and break on the ground. Okay. It's just gonna be an absolute disaster if that happens. Okay, so this guy here, my Studio Fix powder, I don't know if I've talked about this before. So I have like a love and hate relationship with this guy. I always go back and forth. Sometimes I stop using it, sometimes I go back to it. But honestly, like when you look up trying to find powders to oil control and keep you matte all day long, I love the shine, but just like the highlight shine here, this is the first one that always shows up. So like, regardless of me going from different powders over and over, I always end up with this one over and over again. And I'm in a NC40. I'm pretty much finished the entire powder. So I was thinking about trying the Sephora one and see how that one goes. There's so many powders out there now. There's the Makeup Forever one, there's the Too Faced one, but I still keep gravitating towards this one. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, and Urban Decay has one too, I think. The powder. Okay, and then of course after I do that, I still go in with a loose powder, which is this one that I'm using right now. I think the next one that I'm gonna try is the Anastasia one. I have that one as well, but this is just the loose powder. I've talked about this in my makeup videos. It's in number 2. It's like a brightening powder. It's it's a Clarins one, just like that. I usually bake with it a little bit under my eyes and just around here, and all of these products that I'm pretty much talking about, I've got on right now and I love it. So this guy I always go back to, even though I've got like, I want to try, I think the Anastasia one is the next one I'm going to try. That one. And then, what else? Okay, so blush. I love this blush. Every time I'm trying to go for something pink, it's always this Hourglass one. I'm wearing this one right now, or else there's some MAC ones like Melba, and I think it's called Melba, that I go back and forth to. And then there's, I think that's a Deep Throat, I think from NARS is also another one, but I really like this one and I love the formulation of it. It's the Hourglass Radiant Magenta one. You see, it's really beautiful. And just the way it glides onto your skin, like I've got it on right now and it is amazing. It gives you that hint of pink, but not too much pink. And I love the packaging. It's so beautiful, even though mine looks like crap right now. Okay, and then highlighter. So many highlighters. Oh, I don't have the other one that I really gravitate towards. It is the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia highlighting palette. That one is one of my favorite palettes. I love it if I want a lot of shine, like bling bling highlight on my face. I love it, and it's got like all like different shades in it, which you can never go wrong with. So that is one of my favorites. I forgot to bring it here. And then the one that I always go back to is of course my Becca Champagne Pop. This one's hitting pan as well. But this is one that I always go back to. I love it because it's got like that kind of golden pink undertones to it. It looks amazing on all skin types. It is absolutely beautiful. I think I have like another one sitting there, like my backup one. This one's almost done, but this is an absolutely beautiful highlighter because it doesn't, the thing with the Becca ones, it doesn't give you like those like big sparkles on your face. It just gives you that like nice sheen glow to your skin, which is amazing. I am also really liking this Too Faced one. So I know this one isn't really for everybody. This one is called Canary Diamond. And the packaging just looks like that. And it's just like that. It's not for everybody because it looks like it's gold, but it's got pink and it's got a lot of shimmer to it. But what I like to do with this is when I like to layer it. So when I'm using that Hourglass blush, I like to add a little bit of this on top of the cheeks. So it just adds a little bit of glow. It's not something that everybody would like because it is quite shiny. So it is definitely for only certain people that like the shine. I do. I love the shine. I like to glam it up a little bit. A lot of highlighters in this video. Okay, this one is the last one. It's the Fenty Beauty how many carats. So this one I just subtly kind of put this guy right here. It's absolutely beautiful. If you have like, you want to have a little bit of eyeshadow on and just kind of like take a brush when you're kind of going around your cheeks, just around the eye area, and it looks beautiful. So go very lightly with this because it is very, very, very shiny. So you want to go very lightly here, and then I just kind of go around here. But it's really pretty, really pretty. I know if those of you guys that just want to try it, Sephora does have like a set with like a mini one and like a Fenty Gloss Bomb in the set. So that's a really good way to try it. And I think it's like, this guy alone is like 50, but that I think is like 35, and you get 2 products. So give it a try if you want to try it. It's really nice on the eyes as well as eyeshadow. Okay, so then I've got my mascara. My go-to mascara, my favorite ride or die mascara is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. It's not very much to say about it. It's got a really nice big thick brush. I usually do about, let's see if that focus. Yeah, I usually do about 3 coats on each one. It never lets me down. It's absolutely amazing. Setting spray. I am right now, you know which one I really also like is, I like the Urban Decay one, and I also like the Smashbox one, but right now I am using this one. This one's amazing too. It doesn't feel too heavy on your face. It is the Fix Makeup. I use it in between applying makeup, and I use it after I apply makeup, but I always take a beauty blender or a sponge and just kind of press it into the skin as well. And then after like 8 hours or something, I will spray this again and use a beauty blender, and your face looks like good as new again. So that's really good. And then I've got 2 liners here to show you guys. This guy is the YSL Couture Kajo liner. It's quite thick, like that. See that? And it comes like that. This is what I've been using. I'm on and off with this guy. Sometimes I use it and then I go to something else, and then I come back to it. Like if I want to go like a brown color, I'll change it. But this is what I use under my eyes and then on top of my eyes, just to give that subtle little smoky look. And then on top of it, I go on with eyeshadow. And then I use the KVD lash liner. So this one is meant to go on your waterline, and it really does last all day long. It will not move. It is, the only thing I don't like about it, sometimes like my eyes sting. I don't know if that's a good thing and if I should continue using it, but I like the way it looks, so I do. Show you how it looks. The applicator is just like that. And if you are looking, if there's no liner that stays in your eyes on the waterline, try this one. It will definitely last in the waterline. Okay, so I've got 2 eyeshadow palettes I want to show you. One is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. I have been using this quite a bit. It is a really good neutral palette for those of you that are looking for just neutrals. The other one is obviously the Anastasia Soft Glam, but this one here is a really good neutrals palette if you're looking for one. It does come with like a little mirror. Is that a mirror? I don't know if that's a mirror. It's not a mirror? Or did I just not take the little thing off of it? Oh, it's not a mirror? Or do I have, I don't know. Oh, it has a plastic on it. I haven't taken the plastic off. Duh. So it does come with a mirror, so that's really good. I love it because you can go from like daytime to nighttime with just the one palette. And I love the fact that it has this one little kind of orange sort of shade in it. So you can blend out any of the darker shades with that, which I love doing when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So that's a really good one. And then the second eyeshadow palette that I wanted to show you guys is just the Too Faced It's a lot of Too Faced products. Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. I just got this one not too long ago, and it literally smells like gingerbread. It's so good. But that one, if you wanted to go a little bit more like warmer tones, I love it. And then there's that really nice pop of shade right there, if you can see that. I haven't used that one yet. I need to use that one. Maybe I'll do a look with this guy. But my battery just died. But next I'm gonna quickly tell you about my go-to lip products that I've been using a lot. I'm wearing it right now, is the KVD liquid lip in, I think it's called Muneka. And then the Makeup Forever lip liner, and apparently you can use this on lip and eyes as well. This one is in Up and something. I don't know. I'll write it somewhere here when I know I couldn't read it. And then of course just the it's like a clear gloss from Sephora brand. These guys are great to go on top of lips, and they're like super duper cheap. So if you're looking for just a clear gloss, go for like these ones. Don't spend like $30 on a clear lip gloss. To me, it makes absolutely no sense. It's not sticky, nothing. It looks absolutely amazing. But anyways, those were my ride or die, my go-to makeup products that I love to use all the time, and the ones that I gravitate towards constantly, year after year after year. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys try some of the products and tell me what you think. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with everybody that you know, and follow me on all social media at Can Be Real, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!